Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Edna, and in today's video I want to show you something I got online for the very first time from a particular website, and it arrived. Yes, it arrived in Nigeria, and we'll be unboxing it together. We'll be checking the quality out and see if what I got is actually my size. Okay, so here is the item. It came from SHEIN.com directly. Okay, it came from SHEIN, and let us unbox it out and see what we have. This is the first item, and this is a shoe. I really hope the quality is good, and I hope I actually ordered my size. Hey, hope what I ordered is actually my size. I know my size, but you know, sometimes when you order something online, it could be less. Wow, see the quality of the shoe. Jesus. I usually wear 42, but whenever I get 42, it's usually tightening me, so I got 43. I hope it's my size. Oh Jesus. So I got 43. Hey, the quality is top notch. Like first time ordering from this website, although I saw reviews saying that their quality is good, you know, I decided to buy. Hey, let me wear it and see. You don't enter me. So this is size 43. I'll be selling it on my website. Wow, but the quality is very, very nice. Like, the camera is not doing justice. Very, very beautiful. Hey, this is small size. So this one has a light quality, like, but it's still looking okay. The quality is light and it's still beautiful. It's okay for a sandal. So guys, I'm just done wearing this. This is size 43, and normally when I buy shoe in Nigeria, I usually wear 42, although 42 usually tightens me a little bit. So that is why I decided to buy 43, and this is Euro 43. Okay, but this one, it entered me quite alright, but my leg is a little bit longer than this, which I'm even surprised. Like me that usually wear 42 and my leg is a little longer, this one too is just like 42. Maybe if not for the make of this shoe like this, maybe it won't have entered me, and for the fact that the leather is light and it expands, so my leg could enter very well. So that's it for this one. This is another one that I ordered, another shoe, and I ordered 43, all of them. Maybe next time I'll have to increase the length, maybe 44 or 45. I got these slippers. This is also Euro 43. Everything I got is Euro 43. So this is the slippers I ordered. Let me see if it's going to enter me. It's good, but here is also light. It's leather, but kind of light leather. It's not that heavy. It's not heavy at all. Very light slippers. Hope this one enters me on. So I just thank God this particular one entered me as well. This one entered me, this one entered me. They are all 43, euro 43. They both entered my leg. But next time I will buy 44 just to be more comfortable and, you know, completely safe. As for the shoe that I bought, this shoe is also euro 43, but it did not enter me at all. Next time I'm going to increase the size of the shoe. Like this is 43, euro 43, but it didn't enter me and it's a shoe. But the slippers entered me. The slippers I bought entered me, but the shoe did not enter me. I'll have to sell this one. Kai, the quality is good. Oh God, I was planning to use this one for church. Kai, the quality is very, very nice. Like very, very nice. If I'm buying shoe now, I have to increase the length. Instead of me to buy 43, now I'll buy 45. Because this one, my leg almost entered, but here I could not fit it inside the end. I could not enter at all. Okay. Oh. This is annoying. How much did I buy the shoe? This is the third item I'm showing you from SHEIN. When I wear them on, I'll also show you how it looks like on my leg. Like, see the quality of these slippers. Wow. Let me see. It entered me. Hey. Kai, this is the third slippers. This is the third slippers that's entering me now. 43. Thank God. Kai, I was so scared. Even though when I bought, I was feeling confident that it will enter me for the fact that I wear 42 normally. I was feeling confident that 43 will definitely enter me. But I'm so surprised that the shoe which I bought did not enter me at all. Let's go over to the next one. I think that's all for shoes. That's all for shoes. I also bought a face cap. I don't have a face cap, so I decided to go for jeans. I hope it enters my head. You know, sometimes the hair that I make may not be, but this is not the color I ordered. I ordered for dark blue, not this blue. But it's still okay, it's still good. And it's jean fits everything. So yeah. The quality is good, like SHEIN. Okay, I'll have a link to where I got all of these items in the description box. So just click on the link and get yours. I may receive a small commission if you use my link, and it's not going to be an extra cost to you. Thank you in advance. I love this cap. So the next one is I got a shaper wear. I do not have a shaper wear. I got brown. I hope it's my size, and I got 3XL. At least I have something that I'll wear inner as an inner wear and also a body shaper at the same time. Hope it fits me. This one is called shape wear. My size is normally 3XL. I hope it fits though. It looks like it's going to fit. When I wear it, I will let you know. And the quality, look at the quality, guys. Looking so sweet. Like, see the quality of this. Hey, I'll be ordering from SHEIN now. Oh God, yes. And the last thing that I got is a shirt. It's a shirt. I hope it's not oversized, and I hope it's not undersized. Hope it's not oversized, and hope it's not undersized. Hope it's my size. Kai, this quality is good. I will see it now. See now. See now. Jesus. This one look like the entire meal. Hey, I got my size. So when I saw other people, when I saw after I bought, when I was seeing reviews, other people shirt on the description, they'll say they bought 2XL, 1XL, but they're looking bigger than, bigger than the size. So I don't know. And I bought 3XL because normally I usually wear 3XL. Look at it. I bought 3XL. I usually wear 3XL. All my clothes 3XL. See now. See now. I have a shirt. Next thing on me. Kai, I love this. This is like a newspaper shirt, black. I got the black color. I saw the white, but this black color entered my eyes, so I was like, let me buy it. Child, SHEIN, they are selling quality things, quality stuff. Like so many good reviews on SHEIN. So I decided to try it out for the first time, and I'm impressed. So the only thing, I'm going to check out the shirt if it's my size. So the only thing that did not enter me was that shoe. I think someone of size 41 will be able to wear this. See now, 43, they wrote it on the fresh looking shoe. So if you're interested in this shoe, I'm going to be selling it. If you're interested in this shoe, please check out my website, www.classicladycollections.com. I'll put it up for sale and you can order it. See now, Kai, this shoe is sweet. Look at, see quality. Like, as in the video is not doing justice. It came inside carton. See now, it came inside the carton. It came inside carton like this. So if you're interested, like I said, this is size 43, and you know my leg is bigger than some. My leg is big, sharp, and a little longer. So this one enter 43. There are some people that it's my enter 42. If you have slim leg, this shoe may enter you. But my leg is not slim. My leg is not slim, and is a little longer and wider. That's how my leg is. That's why this one did not enter me. So if I want to buy shoe again, maybe shoe, I'll have to buy 44. I even saw 45 on the website. Maybe I'll go for that 45 to be on the safe side. To be on the safe side. And I hope that 45 will not be like oversized. But this is 43. Take note, 43. If you're interested in this shoe, please go visit my website, classicladycollections.com, and place your order. Okay, I'm not going to add any, because I bought it for myself. I'm not going to add any profit. I'll just, the price that I bought it is how much I'm going to sell it. Yeah, just for me to get my money back. I beg. If you love it, this shoe is sweet. Yours is very, very good. Like quality. I wish the thing entered me. I would have been very, very happy. So that's everything I ordered from SHEIN. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on that notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos, you'll be the first to get notified. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.